Hello all, welcome to the day 67 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A Ferris wheel is an amusement ride consisting of a rotating upright wheel with multiple passenger carrying components, commonly referred to as passenger cars, cabins, tubs, attached to the rim in such a way that as the wheel turns, they are kept upright usually by gravity. After taking a ride in the Ferris wheel, Aarti came out from the crowd and was observing her friends who were enjoying the ride. She was curious about the different angles and measures that the wheel will form. She forms the figure as given below. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question 1. In the given figure, what is the measure of angle QOR? Let's observe the diagram. There is a circle and P is an external point. From P, there are two tangents PQ and PR that touches the circle at point Q and R. OQ is a radius and OR is also a radius. Therefore, OQP is equal to 90 degree and angle ORP is also 90 degree. The reason being radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Now that we have to find the measure of angle QOR, let's consider the quadrilateral QORP. By the angle sum property, angle OQP plus angle QPR plus angle ORP plus angle QOR is 360. OQP and ORP are 90 and QPR is 30. So angle QOR is 360 minus 210, which is 150 degree. Question 2. Find the measure of angle PQR. This is angle PQR. Considering this triangle PQR, PQ and PR are equal in length. Reason being tangents from same external point are equal in length, which implies angle PRQ is equal to angle PQR. The reason being angles opposite to equal sides are equal. And by angle sum property, angle PRQ plus angle PQR plus angle QPR is 180. PRQ and PQR are equal. So let's replace PRQ with PQR plus QPR is 180 twice angle PQR plus QPR is 30 degree. So angle PQR is 150 by 2, which is 75 degrees. Question 3. What is the measure of angle RSQ? This is angle RSQ. The arc RQ subtends an angle at the center and also at S. So there is a relationship between the angle at the center and the angle at S. So we will use that to solve this. Arc RQ subtends angle QOR at the center and angle QSR on the circumference. This implies angle QOR is twice the angle QSR. We know the measure of QOR, which is 150. So from this we get the angle QSR, which is 75 degrees. Question 4. If OP is 13 centimeter, OP, let's connect this O and P. This is 13 centimeter and PR is 12 centimeter. in the model of Ferris wheel, then what is the radius of the circle? For this, let's consider the triangle ORP. In triangle ORP, angle ORP is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ORP is a right angled triangle. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, OR is equal to square root of OP square minus PR square. OP is 13, 13 square minus PR is 12, 169 minus 144 root of 25, which is 5 centimeter. So OR is 5 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.